It may be hard for you to believe, but there is a camera that will be able to recognize you. Perhaps you do not know. From its eyes, you will see the true beauty of the world we live in. Perhaps it never crosses your mind, but it will give you a wider perspective in life. No matter what time of the day, it will provide you and your family the best safeguard for all your beloved property. Always avoid any distraction in your daily life. It will provide constant monitoring of your home to reduce any unnecessary losses. It can also provide you with the warmest helping hand. Like a cell phone, it gives you the convenience in life, and to cherish and leave behind beautiful words. When you least expect it, it may save the most beautiful moment in life. Only share it with all your loved ones. .360 Smart Camera. Enable a 2.0 generation of artificial intelligence.